can't reach your destination if you can't see the path. It's true for this 98 Accord, and it's true for your life. Today, we're clearing the vision on this car so we can shine a light on the road ahead. We're doing a full headlight swap, and I'm showing you exactly how to do it yourself. Here's the before, and here's the after. Alright. Tools are a ratchet, either manual or electric, an extension. I recommend the 5-inch extension, a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, maybe an adapter if you don't have the different size socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and a trim remover tool to pop off the plastic pieces. Let's begin. Use the 10mm. Move this bolt right here. It's this little bracket. Right. This one was a 10mm, but on the other side it was an 8mm. Some of you guys will have little clips right here. You just pry off. After that, you can go ahead and drop the front bumper. We'll start undoing our lights. It's as simple as a turn and pull. One. Some of these you gotta get your screwdriver in and loosen these 3 bolts. There's 1, 2, and 3 over there. Turn and pull it. Now this bolt, it's a 10mm. I'm going to take that off. If you look under here, these 2 bolts, we got to get both of them. That's where your extension will come in handy. One more bulb down here. There we go. Alright, let's make some room. Put the old ones Get the old ones out, get the bulbs out the way. And then we'll bring our new light. I'll put a link in the description. Spider. Spider. It's in there somewhere. Alright. So I'm going to set it like that. This are going to pull the headlight in. We're going to put this bracket back on. Just try to line up the holes. We'll do this one on the side first. Just get it started. And then we will head over here. Do this one. Can you see the screws? Hmm? Can you see the screws? Alright, let's tighten them up. Sometimes with aftermarket parts you won't be able to fit all three of them, so two will do. We're going to start with this very bottom one. Is this blown? No, it's good. Go down here. That one's good. We'll connect this one. There we go. That one's done. Then let's get this one. There we go. Now if we go underneath for this turn signal bulb, we just reach in. There's a cover on it. Don't forget to pull these off, guys. Don't be like me. Alright, let's put it in. Push. And turn. There we go. Nice and tight. But after that, we are going to put the bumper back on. We're gonna reconnect the fender bumper. You got clips. You start clipping this back on. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. God bless. Peace.